Hello everyone, today we are going to create a quiz application using SwiftUI. I am Samruti Patil, I am one of friend Pooja Raut. We are both going to create quiz app for the ISC purpose. Let's see what we use for creating a quiz app. First structures, then buttons and stack view to create the application, quiz application. Now let's look at the structures. To define structures in Swift programming language, we use struct keyword inside the a name and curly braces. Inside curly braces define the variables and properties. Here we give example like a structure person, variable, last name and age. This completely together act as a single object. And this now look at the button we can create through this code. Button bracket में action which going to perform, like here we create action that print a button tapped, and text assigned to button is written in the text box, and its remaining attributes padding like background color, foreground color means text color is given through there. We also added corner radius for this. Look at this code. Then stack view. There are three types of stack view in SwiftUI. First is a horizontal stack view where we can arrange views horizontally. Here we can arrange horizontally. Vertical stack, for arranging views vertically we use vertical stack. And Z stack is for overlaying the two views. Now H stack, here is the code for H stack. Here two text box like hello and world are arranged horizontally. They come after one another, arranged left to right. Padding and colors are added to them. First is the red color assigned and second blue color is assigned to this word. Then vertical stack stack arrange childs vertically. First hello word and then followed by the word one below. And Z stack, it arranges one on another. First object created is at the below and then other on its top. This is code for the Z stack. Here you can see the clearly. Now let's create a Xcode project. Open Xcode and click on the create project. Then goes on iOS, create select app, go to next, and
now we will see about the coding part. So first of all we see about the structure of quiz question. In that structure there are three variables, that question, option and answer. Then we have to see the structure of content view. In that particular section we have to add our questions. So there are 5 questions. You have to see that the first question is what is the capital of France, and there is a answer for that particular correct answer of that particular question is that Paris. After that we add the another questions of similar types. So we see that there are 5 questions in the particular block. After that we have to state the variables, that select answer, which is the private variable in the form of string. Second is the current question index variable, and the third one is the show result, which is by default false. When we choose the correct answer, then it goes to the true. The next private variable is current question index, in which it displays the current question that display on our screen. Then we see the another private variable, that is score. This is the variable which is used to store the score. In this we count the score by storing the value. Here we declare the answers, which is a string, and if our selected answer index is equal to the question answer, then count will get increased. After that, we have to see that the preview of our code. So in body structure we have to add z stack. We can see that there are background color which is in the form of RGB. So the value of red is 1, green is 1, and also blue is 0, so that it gives us light yellow color. After that we have to see the v stack, in which we can see the if block. This if block will get executed if the show answer get true, result get true. It will display the quiz result and our score get quiz result, in which having some functionalities like foreground color. Then it also shows the your score value by counting the score. It also have some functionality like font color and foreground color. Then there is a button action on which restart the quiz. So after completed this quiz, and we also started the new quiz by clicking on the restart quiz button. If our result get false, then it executed the else block, in which it gives the error. For that purpose we have to add the question card in our project. So now we will see about the question card. So let's it shows error that you have to see that. And in preview we see two buttons, that is previous and next. Now we will add the question card view in our code. So in this question card view, there are quiz questions are there that we have added in the content view. Now we will see that the error is removed. So now we'll see about what is in the question card. So in the question card there is a question variable which have questions that we already added in our content view. You have to see in our preview that the questions are visible. Then in the question card body we have vstack alignment with the text that questions also have some functionalities like font, padding, and foreground color. Then it also gives options value. For that purpose we have to add the for each loop, so which is used for to show the options for our question, which are already defined in the content view. So you have see that in the preview that there are 4 options seen in the preview, which is in the form of buttons, which is used for adding the options for the particular questions we have already defined in our content view. So we have added some attributes for that purpose, like padding, background color which is white, also the background color of the boxes around the buttons. After that we add the image view, in which the images of a filled color circle, it gets turned into the blue when we clicked on the particular option. It is in the form of filled dark circle, and which is of blue color. When it gets selected, it turns to the blue. Then for that purpose we have seen our code. So in question card there are the four options which we have already added in our question card. So now in preview you see that we have a question with four options having buttons with the border. When we click on it, it gets turned to the blue. Then there are two options, button options like previous and next. It goes to the next question when we click on the next button, and go to the previous question when we go to the previous question. Also there is a two after completed the quiz, there is a restart quiz option. So there are currently there is a white in white color there are two options like quiz result and UR scored view. So we change the color of the particular sentence like in black. So now we see in preview that it get to the black. For that purpose we have to again start our quiz. Then now we can see that the overall sentence of you scored 0 out of 5 is got turned into the black. Also we turn our quiz result text is into the black. For that purpose we again run our preview, so that you can see that our two result get into the black color. Select the options uh, that we now we see our result, that is quiz result. You scored 5 out of 5, and we also restart our quiz by clicking on the restart quiz option.
Now let's again overview the question. First we create structure, then added a questions in structure block, then created a private variables, and for screen we added if block show result, if true then result will be displayed. And then in else part we created a question card, and next and previous button to move on previous and next question. In question card block we created first text question will be added over there, then we added options and the image to the image for circle image for the option. This is our project. Then now let's run it over the simulator. You can see over there when we click on option it turns blue. Then next button for moving to next answered question, select answer, then again answer selected it, then it's a mass. I think I choose a wrong answer, move to previous, choose room. Next our result is 5 out of 5. Then restart. After restarting it will display a first question. So thank you for watching video.